Good morning, good afternoon. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. I'm cooking eggplant with coconut milk. It's a Filipino style. This is from my village cooking. I put for this lemongrass, and I put green chili, put green chili, and I put onion, garlic, ginger, and I put some shrimps. I put some udang in Malaysia udang, and I put buyud. I put prawns. This is prawn. Then this is eggplants. And I put coconut milk. And I'm cooking it. Now it's becoming soft. Becoming soft. And it's sirai. This is the lemongrass. That's my food for my lunch. I cooked early today. It's very easy to cook this. Put fresh coconut milk. Put salt. Thanks guys for watching my cooking. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ening's Blog.